Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. For question number 1, we just put number 2 gone here and here. So we have the final answer. And we got the final answer. You got negative number 4. For this one, we can do about factorization. This one, that is about identity. Number 4 is about 2 square. So this one we can put into s minus 2, s plus 2. We simplify s minus 2 on numerator and denominator. And then I will put number 2 gone here and here. And so we got the final answer. For this one, we will have about 128. This is the end. Thank you for watching.